625 into 2, because what is the standard time? If you want to produce 1 unit, the company will give you 2 hours. Time taken into hourly rate as well as time saved into hourly rate. Time taken in words, A is 30, B is 25. Under row 1 plan, remember your left side and right side, it is always equal. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 5 of your topic called cost accounting. Under cost accounting, we are doing your topic is labor. Now, in the previous session, we have done few problems on labor, and in today's session, we will work out 2 or 3 problems on labor topic. Almost the adjustments are same, but 1 or 2 problems we will work out together, and one more problem will be answer will be already given. So what is the agenda? As you know, we will have concept class. Along with concept, we will have problems also. Now, your problem number 6. In this, from the following information, calculate the total earning and earning per hour under wholesale plan and row 1 plan. We are supposed to calculate your wholesale plan and row 1 plan, and they have given the following informations like name of the workers. There are A and B, 2 persons are there. Time taken in words, A is 30, B is 25. Now A is 30 and B is 25. Now solution, wholesale plan as well as row 1 plan. Now under wholesale plan, what is the total earning? In this, the total earning, you know the formula. What is the formula? Time taken into hourly rate as well as time saved into hourly rate. But this thing has to be taken only half. As per this, your A, we are doing for your first person A. Time taken is 30, hourly rate is 25. Time saved 0. How come it is 0? I'll go back to this. So, the particular job, it takes 30 hours to complete. How much he has taken? He has also taken 30 hours. Now, 30 minus 30, it is 0. What is the time saved? 0. In case they have given 30 hours, he has completed in 32 hours. Time saved is what? It is not 2, it is still 0. Why? Because whatever time taken is more than your standard time, time saved always become 0. Again, I'll repeat, if time taken is more than your standard time, always your time saved will be 0. Now, your time saved is 0, hourly rate is 25. As per this, 750, if you multiply this, you will get 0. Now, add 750 plus 0, it will be how much? 750. Now, similarly, what happens? These are your working notes. Time taken, A is equal to 30, B is equal to 30. Now, hourly rate is 25, standard time is 30. Now, for the first person, 30 minus 30, the time saved is nil or else it is 0. For B, 30 minus 25, the time saved will be 5 hours. Now, for the first person, time saved by worker A is nil. So, he is paid guaranteed time. This will be given, but this will be 0. Wages, which is assured under wholesale plan. That is, these are the calculation. Hope you understood. So the first person, he has taken exact time, so time saved will be 0. Second person, what is the calculation? Time taken into hourly rate. This is for the first person, A. It is already calculated. The same thing we will do it in the working note. Now, the second person, time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. Now, half of this, Time taken 25 hours, hourly rate is 25. Here time saved is 5, hourly rate also 25. Multiply. So this into this 625. This into this 125. Half of 125 how much? 62.5. Add both. If you add both, it will become 687.5. These are the informations we have for your B. So we calculated for B. A also done, B also completed. Now, so wholesale plan we have completed. Now we are into row 1 plan. Now, under row 1 plan we have time taken into hourly rate, time taken into hourly rate. Along with that, time saved divided by standard time. In this, A is equal to 30 multiplied with 25, 30 multiplied with 25. Under row 1 plan, remember your left side and right side it is always equal. Now, time saved divided by standard time. In this, 750 plus 2. So, what is the answer? This will be 750 only. Now, R. Time saved by worker. A is nil. So, he is paid guaranteed time wages which is assured. As I told you, for the first person, it is a guaranteed wages. It will not change. So he has not even saved that time. So as it is, we have to copy as well as paste. Now, for the rest of the person, so this is for the first person. Rest of the person, B under row 1 plan, 25 multiplied with 25, 25 multiplied with 25, 5 by 30. Why it is 5 by 30 means 30 hours standard time. Actual time is 25. So he has saved around 5 hours. That 5 hours we call it as time saved. So 5 divided by standard time. So it will be 625 into 5 by 30. 625. Add these both. You will get how much? 729. So these are the answers you have for your calculation. These are your row 1 plans. I'll go back to all the slides. You can take screenshot. Your first problem for the day means your 6th one. The solution part for your 6th one. So this is your solution part. So this is also your row 1 plan. Continuation of your row 1 plan. Now we are into problem number 7. Now calculate wage of the worker under wholesale as well as row 1 plan. Under this, standard time is given. It is 2 hours. Unit 2 hours. Standard time per unit. Each unit will take 2 hours. Now, number of units actually produced is 625. Number of units produced how much? 625. As I told you, 1 unit you need 2 hours. 1 unit you need 2 hours. Now, multiplied with 625. Multiplied with 625. Now, actual time taken is 1000 hours. For 625, how much hours taken? It is 1000 hours taken. Hourly rate of wages is 5. These are the informations we have. So, we'll go with the solution. These are the information like each unit per unit we need 2 hours. So they have produced almost 625 units and they have taken almost how much hours? 1000 hours. Now, if you go for standard this thing, 625, each unit 2 hours means how much it will be? 1250 will be your standard time. Now, we'll go for the answer directly. What is your standard time in this? Working note, time taken 1000 hours, hourly rate is 5 rupee. Here actual production is given, standard time for actual production. How to calculate? I'll show you. These are the working note. See, The standard time for 1 unit is 2 hours. Per unit, you need 2 hours. Then, total earning. Time taken, hourly rate, time saved. This thing will come later. First, we'll go for your standard time. What is your standard time? 625, your number of units produced. Now, if you go for 1 unit 2 hour, multiplied with 2, you will get answer of 1250. As I calculated here, 625 into 2, because what is the standard time? If you want to produce 1 unit, the company will give you 2 hours. Means how many units you have produced? 625. Each unit 2 hours means multiply with 2 hours. Easiest one. Multiplied with 2. So your answer is how much? 1250. Now what is the time saved? 1250 is the standard time, but you have done for 1 hour. You have saved almost 250 hours. Hope you are clear. I'll go back to your answer. Time taken 1000, hourly rate is 5. Time saved 250, hourly rate is 5. Similarly, 1000 into 5, 5000. Half of this 625. If you add both, you will get 5625. Any doubt? No doubt. Similarly, in this 1000 into 5, it is 5000. We are doing your row 1 plan. What is the formula for your row 1 plan? Time taken into hourly rate. Now, under row 1 plan, we have 5000 here. If you calculate this, what is the formula? Time saved 250. Standard time 1250. Time taken 1000. Hourly rate 5. Multiply and simplify this. The final answer you will get 1000. 5000 plus 1000, your answer is 6000. Any doubt? No doubt. Now, we're done with this. Remember, these are the working notes. Now, so now we'll go for the last problem for the day, problem number 8. Now, calculate wages of worker under Halsey as well as row 1 plan. With this, we'll wind up your labor topic also. Now, Halsey and row 1 plan, standard time per unit. How much? 4 rupees per unit. So, for per unit, 4 hours. Earlier problem, it was per unit 2 hours. But now, per unit, you required 4 hours. Now, as per this, number of units actually produced is 1250. So how many units they have produced? 1250. Now, actual time taken for how much? It is 2000 is actual time taken. Hourly wage rate is how much? 10. Now, we will only calculate this. Remember, first we will find out standard time. How much is your standard time? Now, how many units you produced? 1250 units you have produced. Each unit required how many hours? 4 hours. Multiplied with 4, you will get almost 5000. 5000 hours. How many hours you require? You required 5000 hours to manufacture. But you completed only in 2000 hours. Super fast. Now, unit produce 1250. So normally it takes what? Per unit it requires 4 hours. Now, if you go for actual calculation, it will come how much? 1250 into 4, it will be around 5000. 2.5 and 2.5, it will be 5000. Now, but the time taken by you is only 2000, means standard time is 5000. Time taken is 2000. Your answer is how much? Only 3000. 3000 is time saved. Hope you understood. This is a standard time, time taken and time saved. In this, almost it is a super fast. 5000 hours actual given by the company, but they have completed only in what? Just 2000 hours. They have saved almost 3000 hours. We'll go for the answer. As per this Halsey plan, what is the time taken? We'll go. Time taken is only 2000. Hourly rate is how much? 10 rupee. So your time taken is 2000. Your hourly rate is around 10 rupee. So in this, plus half of the time saved. What is the time saved? 3000 multiplied with hourly rate is 10. Simple. Now, in this 2000 multiplied with 10, it will be 20,000 plus 3000 into 10, it is 30,000. This is half. This will be 20,000. This will be half, will be 15,000. What is your answer? 35,000. Hope you understood. How much it is? 35,000 as per your wholesale plan. Similarly, we'll go for row 1 plan also. Now, what is the row 1 plan? Time taken 2000. Hourly rate 10 rupee. Time saved 3000 hours. Standard time is 5000. Time taken, it is common, 2000 multiplied with 10. Yes, these are the calculation we have. 2000 into 10, it is 20,000. Plus, this will remain as it is. 2000 into 10, it will be 20,000. Now we are supposed to simplify. How we can simplify? 20,000 right as it is. Plus, if you simplify this, so 5,000, 4, 3, almost 12,000. Your final answer is 32,000. I am not sure about this. I'll go for exact calculation. I'll calculate and let you know. So it is how much? 3,000 divided by 5,000 multiplied with 20,000. Yes, this is 12. What is your final answer? Final answer we got around 32,000. Now, this is all about your calculation under wholesale as well as row 1. So, I'll go back to all these slides so that you can take screenshot. Now, this is your problem number 6. Solution part. Yes, solution part. Solution part. Problem number 7. Your solution part. Your answers. Yes, this is your problem number 8. We have done working note to find out standard time. Yes, these are your solution for wholesale. These are your solution for row 1. Wholesale is 35,000. Row 1 is 32,000. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood what is labor topic. So with this, we'll wind up your topic of labor. If possible, we'll have one more session on this, or else we'll go for next topic. Thank you.